Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Yahoo email account. For that, open a web browser and go to google.com and type in Yahoo. Hit enter. Click on the first link. On this page, click on this mailbox icon. Here, click on create an account. Enter your first name, your last name, and preferred email address. If it throws an error, you can either select from the suggested email addresses or enter a number after the preferred email address. Enter password. Password should comprise of numbers, alphabets, and special characters. Select your date of birth. Click next. Enter your phone number for verification purpose. Click on send code. Enter the verification code received on your phone number. Click next. Click on done. You can either personalize your inbox here or do it later. Click on finish later. And there you go. Your account is now ready. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.